The template we're using is this takeoff template. I'm going to hold shift and click this button a couple times to compact all the layers. If I hold shift and hit that button again, it expands all the layers. So shift, minus, and it compacts them all. What we're going to do now is import the CAD file. So this is the import button. It's going to the right path. This is the CAD file I want to import, and it says DWG. I want to give it a layer prefix name of ZCAD1 in case we get a revision. If I got a revision, it would be ZRev1. We'll go ahead and import that. It'll come in where it was designated in the CAD file. I have my line markings turned on. We'll turn those off. Now that's the CAD file. I'll import the PDF grading plan. If all 4 of these pages were in the same PDF, I could just pick which page I wanted. Since it's only one page, I'm just going to bypass that and hit import. What I want to do is take this PDF and orient on top of the CAD file. I'm just going to go straight to this command. And this is Georeference Vector PDF. So it is over top of my site. There's an easy way to get rid of that. What I'm going to do is move this out of the way, the CAD file, go to none, and then go back to the grading. So it orientates it here. There's my CAD file, and there's the PDF. Now the best line probably, since this one's covered up and this one's kind of covered up, is probably going to be this rear property line down here, which is this line here. So I'm going to save the snap locations of my PDF, which gives me the ability to snap on the vectors. I'm going to apply a clipping boundary just so I get rid of the border. I'm going to try to come outside of all my stuff in my PDF. So I'm going to the limits here. And I could stop here, but that would cut off my sections, or my typical sections. So I'm just going to go here. So that created a rectangle outside of my data. Actually, I kind of want to go up a little bit more. So just put my cursor back in there and go up to here. Resize that. Now, to actually get the PDF over to my CAD drawing, I need to select a couple of reference points. So I already decided that this was going to be my point A, and those are the snap locations. Now, I could go straight over to the location and pick the location, or I can just stay on the PDF and pick B, and then go right over here to my property line and put my cursor in A. This is A here, and then this is B here. And now I can just check myself that B is going there and A is going there, and just hit register. And it clipped everything outside my boundary and rotated and scaled this PDF to the drawing all in one motion. I'll look at this a little bit, and it looks like all the lines are on top of each other and all the text is on top of each other. So looks like I got it in the right place. I'll save that.